This video is for demonstration purposes only, and when it comes to working with electrics and oil, or even water for that matter, this is not something that you should try yourself, and that you always would have to get a competent or qualified person, like a plumber, an electrician, and an oil engineer. So this is not something you should try yourself. Out today just to swap this oil fired burner across. The bearings will get very noisy, and in my opinion it's too old to start and strip down to try and replace them, so we're just going to swap it over for a new burner at the customer's request. Our electrician has kindly disconnected the wiring for me from the burner, so I'm just about to remove this 13mm nut. Oh, let's see if we can get in. Which will allow the burner to come out from the boiler itself, like this. So that's obviously, you can see the burner's been removed from the boiler. So we're going to disconnect the flexible oil hose from the burner using a 15mm spanner, and from the other end using a 19mm spanner. As you can see now, the faulty burner has been removed. Okay, so this is our new burner, a Riello 40. See it here just. So that's the new burner screwed back into the boiler, and the electrician has kindly rewired it, put the wires back into where they should be. And I say I'm just about to bleed the oil line now as the oil switched back onto the tank. So there's two ways of doing it. It's hard just to see here, I can't really get my fingers in. There's an Allen bolt here which you could listen to bleed the oil through, or the way I prefer to do it would be with this 15mm nut down here. As you can see, the air bubbles are starting to come through. Now, to take the air obviously out of the flexible oil line that's been replaced, or the new oil lines went on with the new burner. Again, I don't suggest this is anything that you should try yourself. You're always better to get out a qualified oil engineer. And then once the bubbles are gone, you just tighten it back in again. Tighten the 15mm nut, that is. Right, the oil pressure has been set. The air settings has been adjusted. We've done a combustion test, so that's everything ready to go. So I'm just about to turn it back on again. That's us, all good to go.